Welcome to the Teleblog channel. Our channel always takes care of our viewers and wants you to make the most out of Telegram. Which is why today we're gonna talk about some life hacks in the messenger, how to read messages without letting the sender know, turn your messenger into a personal music player, or make your own cool GIF. All this and even more you're gonna find out very soon. And here's something else. Can we agree that if you like our channel, you'll subscribe right away? And of course, don't forget to ring the bell not to miss fresh episodes. Now, let's go! Sometimes, if you want to pretend you're a spy, you can read a message without letting the sender know. This feature is only available in the mobile version of Telegram, and it's very easy to do. Enable air mode, open a message, and then after reading, exit the application. Turn off air mode. Thus, you're gonna read the message from the other person, but they're not gonna see you did that. There's also another way. Open chats. With a long press, you open a chat preview. In iOS, you can tap any area of the chat you need, but in Android, you need to tap your finger exactly on the user pic. You may have seen a previous video on Telegram features, where I told you that the Favorites tab is one of the best features in the Messenger. But this is how you can complement it. You can create separate channels with certain directions you need. Family documents, audiobooks, project information, pictures of your favorite dog, any purpose you need a separate folder for. It's been so many times when my phone was literally yelling at me about how little memory it had left. And I never realized why, because it seemed like I didn't have a lot of pictures, videos or apps that could take up a lot of space. And that's where the shoe pinches. By default, all sent files, pictures, videos and audio messages, Telegram automatically downloads. It's convenient and fast, but it takes up a lot of storage on your phone. One day I found that the app was taking up 2 GB. Therefore, if you've been long using Telegram, check it out. Settings, storage, memory usage. Here the messenger will take a moment to calculate cache size, so get patient. And then clear the cache. If you don't want to delete everything, you can delete the cache of each chat separately. Check how much space is occupied, I'm sure you'll be surprised. By the way, share in the comments, did you know about this feature? I just want to know how many of us are those in a desperate need of the phone space. An important clarification though, by clearing the cache you don't delete pictures or audios. They stay in the cloud and you still have access to them, you just have to download the files online. So we're continuing with the Telegram cache, which is sometimes heavy and annoying. By default, the messenger downloads all media files automatically. If you don't want your photos, audio files, videos and GIFs cluttering up your phone memory or use the data, you gotta set up the auto-upload. You can select the types of content that will not be downloaded automatically. For example, if you disable the auto-upload, all your pictures will be shown as blurred preview. To download them, you have to tap on a picture. To do this, go to Settings, Storage, and then Media Auto-Upload. Here you can edit auto-upload via Wi-Fi or data separately. You can adjust the settings for each type of files and chats in Telegram, private chats, contacts, groups and channels. As for the data, you can select low, medium or high traffic flow. In my previous video, I told you that Messenger is a great place to listen to music. It's super convenient, but you can go a little further here. You could turn Telegram into a personal player. Create a private channel, like vacation playlist for example. Then, from various music channels, which Telegram has more than enough, you can take the music you want to your channel and thus create a playlist for your own taste. In the desktop version, you can download music directly from your computer, just in case the song you need isn't online or on the channel. The Telegram music player looks like a regular player on a phone or in Apple Music. What's particularly convenient is that once you have downloaded a song, you can keep listening to it without the internet. Neither do you have to buy a music subscription. Do you sometimes want to text back with a meme or GIF, which you've once seen? Just want to make your conversation more exciting? Of course, you can open your browser, type in a similar image search, then save it, open the dialog and finally send it. But it takes so long, and then you have to delete pictures from the gallery. It's easier to do this. One of Telegram's hidden features is the picture and GIF search directly in the Messenger interface. Open a chat, attach a file, the paperclip in the lower left corner, photo or video, search, magnifying glass in the upper right corner, and then you search for the right GIF or picture and send the file. Telegram has hundreds of amazing channels where authors share useful information. Some people use Telegram channels as a learning platform. So here's a life hack for you. If you need to read all the messages, don't scroll up to the top one. You can get to the first one by simply creating a link to it. The URL format is on the screen. I'm gonna leave a template in the description box. Let me show you how it works. Say you want to read everything about Telegram on T9gram channel. But it's so inconvenient to scroll up to the top message. Take a link, insert it in the Favorites tab, change the name to the one you want, send it to yourself, click the link, and voila! You see the first message of the channel. An important clarification: this feature only works for public channels. With private ones, it's a little more complicated. First of all, you need to join it. Then select any post of this channel, tap it, and copy the link. Then you put it in your favorites. And this is what we see. The last 2 digits are the post number. Change it to 1 and get back to the top. Everyone knows that Telegram has a photo editor built into it. In addition to standard features like brightness adjustment, auto enhancement, and other features, the Messenger offers a Snapchat analog. Masks you can put on a picture, wigs or beards, animal ears, aeroplane stickers, and so on. To use it, open the chat, make a selfie or photo, click the brush in the editing menu, select the mask icon. All masks can also be rotated or resized. In July Telegram update, we got the long-awaited animated stickers. And though variety is not quite there yet, and the instructions for creating your own animated sticker are not as simple as they might seem, I suggest you try making your own GIFs. It's a lot easier and a lot faster than you think. First, you take any video you want to make an animated GIF from. I usually record something. Then cut the part you want, tap the sound off button, and then Telegram will say this video will be replayed as a GIF animation. As simple as that. Now you can create your own GIF animations in a matter of seconds. So these were the top 9 fascinating life hacks I picked out for you today. Now would be a good time for you to share in the comments which one you liked the most, or share some of the other interesting features that I'm gonna talk about in the next video. If you learned something new about Telegram, give us a thumbs up please. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.